Napa Valley Discovery Museum, and today we're going to talk a little bit about experiments. So for this experiment, it's called elephant toothpaste, but we're going to do a reaction that actually creates heat. So it's an exothermic reaction. So first we're going to put some hydrogen peroxide into our bottle. And when hydrogen peroxide breaks down, it creates oxygen and water. But usually this reaction is pretty slow and you can't see it all that much. But we're going to add a little bit of soap into here, which will help trap some of that oxygen into bubbles so that we can see it forming. And then to make it happen a little bit faster, we're going to add in just a second a catalyst to it. So we'll use yeast just like you'd use for baking bread or something like that. And then we'll watch the reaction. I like to add a little food coloring just so that we can see it a little bit better. I mixed my yeast with some warm water to help it activate. I'll pour it right in here. So with that reaction, as the yeast mixes with the hydrogen peroxide, we create foam and a little bit of heat. You can feel the heat coming off of it.